Today, we're solving the Rubik's Cube how it was meant to be solved. In black and white. The Rubik's Cube was invented in 1980, and believe it or not, that was such a long time ago that we had not invented color. I just realized my lovely J-Perm logo is actually telling me which side is white. There we go, now we can have maximum confusion. I think that's yellow because this is slightly brighter than it, so this should be the white side. We have 2 dark sides and 2 light sides. Uh-oh. I hate this challenge already, we should just get it over with. So we are going to match that, and it doesn't match here. This one can match there. Okay, 2 cross pieces. That's really bright, that should be white. All right, this one maybe. I think that looks good. These are both dark. Could that be correct? We'll find out later. All right, this one looks like maybe it goes here. Perhaps it goes with this one. It's nice that this is slightly brighter than the surroundings, so we're gonna take this one and find another dark and not dark piece, maybe that one, and put it in here. All right, that might be white. No. This has a dark color on it. This one and this one maybe? Oh geez, that looks like F2L. Go into OLL and PLL. PLL shouldn't be too hard. Why is this so difficult? This is an R perm? Nope. This is a J perm. I would not be happy with 2 minutes, but it ended with a J perm, and I think I'm okay with that. White, yellow, and these 2 colors were really annoying, but I kind of like that the blue side is so much darker than this one. All right, let's get the colors back. Wait, red is darker than blue? I never knew that. Look at that, wow, that's crazy. Since we're still in 1980, let's use a Rubik's brand. See what I'm doing here? These are called wrist turns. Don't do these. I am going to try and solve the whole thing with only wrist turns because finger tricks, not only were they not really invented yet, but they were not even possible on cubes of this kind. Oh, X-Cross. Yeah, nobody knew how to do this in 1980. I am the best in the world. All right, let's start. Lucky case. Oh my god, I feel so stupid. This is such a weird way of solving. Oh no, bad case. "31 seconds. Maybe that's the world record. I don't know what the world record is at the time, but in 2 years, Mintai is going to destroy that." I talked a bit about color blindness in this video because some people use custom sticker shades in order to have the colors be more vibrant. And some of you suggested I try solving the whole cube like this. Oh, geez. This is just a filter I was able to come by. I don't know how accurate it is, and of course, this varies from person to person. The red and green look so similar. Orange and yellow are also pretty similar, but blue and white are completely normal. When I do the snap, I'm taking off and now putting on the color blindness filter. If you're surprised that everything still looks the same to you, then I'm sorry, this is how you found out. Of course, this is going to be easier than black and white. I think the colors still stand out a little bit more. So starting with white, we have the blue crosspiece here. These 2 are similar. I could tell them apart earlier when they were next to each other, but when they're not next to each other, I cannot tell which one is which. If they're wrong, I'll just switch them later. It's really hard to tell. Okay. We have to check. Nope, that is wrong, obviously. Okay, this is so difficult. No, I'll skip that one for now. This one's orange blue. That one's easy. This one, I think it goes with the one next to it. Just flip it. Yep. And this one and this one. Okay, last layer should be pretty straightforward, I think. What the heck? Okay, 31 seconds. And now you know why stickered cubes are still a thing. The red-green look pretty different when they're next to each other, but I could not tell them apart at all when they were far apart from each other. Obviously, telling apart 2 shades like this is not something I usually do, but if you have this color blindness, you probably deal with this all the time. And let me know in the comments if you could actually tell these apart during my solve, because I just could not. They looked identical to me. Yeah, it's really eye-opening how two colors that usually are just completely unrelated for me, we are taught that red and green are complementary colors. They are opposite, not similar at all. And for so many people out there, depending on the shades, you may not even be able to tell them apart. Next up is another kind of color blindness called protanomaly. Let's see what it looks like. Wait, what? Red is just black? Is that right? It just takes all the color away from red? That's actually nuts. Also, the cube looks kind of cool like this, not gonna lie. All right, let's get started. I think this one is really not gonna be as hard as the last two. I think I'm gonna start with red. It's got a nice cross, and with it being black and all, I think it's really easy to spot the pieces. I feel weird calling it red because I'm just seeing black. That one goes here, this one goes over there. For once, I can actually plan the whole cross. I'm not sure if I'll be able to plan the next pair, but these two look like they go together. So we're gonna give that one a shot. All right, ready? Let's go. That's correct. All right, this one goes with yellow, blue. It's still really difficult because it just feels like a cube with a different color scheme where some colors are really similar, but it's not that bad. And what the heck? What is this an H perm? Okay. And like before, these two look different right now, but I couldn't tell them apart during a solve and never really tried, but what were they even? Oh, green and orange. Oh, I just realized something. My favorite color is green, and a lot of people don't see the same green that I do, and you guys are missing out on a great color. Next up, we have tritonomaly, which is a type of blue-yellow color blindness, and let's see what it looks like. Whoa, I don't know what I was expecting, but this is not what I was expecting. This is really interesting, especially for this cube, because the colors actually are still all different. Wait, no. White and yellow. What? I was so focused on these colors that I didn't realize yellow is just white. What? Oh, this is like ever so slightly pinker, but I would not be able to tell this difference at all unless they were right next to each other. Actually, what the heck? This is gonna be so weird. I don't think I can start on white then because like the opposite side looks identical. There are just twice as many white pieces here. Oh my. The two most different colors are red and pink. Yeah, this is orange. All right, let's start with red. That's nice. It is right next to a white piece, so I can tell this one's supposed to be yellow. But if these two weren't here, it would just look completely white to me. This is the darker green, this is the lighter green, geez. And there is white. I think I got this. Oh, geez. Wait, there we go. And this F2L should be pretty normal. This one, and oh no, oh, it's right there with it. No, that doesn't even go there. Oh right, there's two white sides, so F2L is not normal at all. Okay, PLL might be normal depending on the pattern I get. What is this? Come on. Well, this is definitely a block. I guess that means this one is not. This could be a G perm. That's just my guess. Nope. No! Oh, this is just PLL parity. Okay, this one goes here. Besides white and yellow being identical, I think the thing that surprised me most is my table is pink. I gotta say though, other than white and yellow and blue, I guess these colors actually look pretty beautiful. Oh, what? I hate this color blindness. Chromanomaly is a type of color blindness that affects various colors in different ways, so let's see what that looks like. Oh, that looks messed up. I think it's weird because a lot of the colors have changed, but I can still tell each color apart from each other, and I think that's why for a lot of people who have this color blindness, they don't even know that they have it. Let me try a solve on it, but it's pretty much just gonna be the same as solving on any wrong color scheme. All right, let's start on this light blue looking color. It's not too hard to plan the whole cross because everything still looks pretty different. All right, I think I got this. Okay, just kind of lost my planning there, but yeah, look ahead isn't hard. I got some nice cases. Okay, and then OLL should be fine. F perm. 13 seconds, pretty much what I expected. I guess with most colors still being distinct from each other, even though some colors change and blend in with each other, I guess it's not too bad having this color blindness, but it would just be so weird to go your whole life and not know you had this. I don't know why people suggest this one so much, but this is triple moves only. So instead of doing an R move, I would have to do R prime 3 times. I think people get this idea from the U-perm that I've showed, which has R3 in it. And I still get comments to this day asking why not just do R prime? Obviously, I've thought about R prime. Why would anyone think about R3 first? There's a reason for it, and that's because you go 1, 2, 3, and then your hand is at the right spot in order to continue without regripping your hand. But I'm gonna take that to the extreme, and instead of U moves, I will also do U3 prime. Again, I don't know why you guys suggest this, but I'm just gonna do it anyway because it gets suggested so much. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and get this green one in like this. This one goes in like that, and then double move is fine, and orange goes in like that. All right, what do we got here? This one and this one, let's... This takes so much thinking, wow. All right, I did this pair, this one, or let me find the easiest one. Okay, double moves. As long as I'm allowed double moves, that makes it way easier, but all the finger tricks are reversed, which is so messed up. Oh, wait. Ugh. Oh no, not this case. My muscle memory is, you know what? It'll just be funnier if I do it the long way. What? Okay. No, I got a long OLL as well. Oh, this is so stupid. I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm having so much trouble with it. Okay, and A-perm, thank you. Something a little shorter. Jeez, I am never doing that one again. You're welcome. All right, no regrips. I think I can actually enjoy this restriction. So I need to stay in the grip of thumbs on front and fingers here at the back. Now, of course, I can change grip because I'm doing a turn, but I cannot reposition ever unless I'm doing a turn. Usually you want your algorithms to be done in a way that doesn't have regrips because doing the same algorithm with regrips is just slower. But obviously doing the whole solve without regrips is just going to make it more restrictive, which is part of the fun because at least while I'm turning, it's going to be very fast and finger efficient. A lot of the regrips in a solve come from the cross, so I'm gonna try and do this in a lot of moves, but in a way that doesn't regrip. The trade-off is not going to be worth it, but it is what must be done. All right, there, no regrips yet. How do I get blue in? How about like that? Oh, that feels so stupid. Okay. No, like this doesn't have a regrip. And then keyhole, oh, that was amazing. Jeez. I just got a PLL skip. If I had actually planned out that entire cross, the rest of it barely had regrips and it could have actually been a really good solve. You know what? I like this challenge so much, I'm coming back to it later, but let's finish off the rest. Okay, this is another one of those torture challenges. I need to do wide moves only, and I don't think I can come up with a solving method that only uses wide moves. It's just gonna be like the R3 one where I'm probably gonna break my brain trying to do this. All right, green piece here, blue piece here. Check this out, guys. Whoa. All right, then this one, wide move like that, and wide move, wide move, wide move. I have solved the cross. This one, I'm gonna do it like this, then this, and then this. Where did it go? That was completely wrong. That just feels so stupid. I'm doing the normal moves, but wrong and slowly, which is what makes this so stupid. Oh my God, there's another F2L pair. I'm just finger tricking everything as wide moves, even though I'm completely thinking in regular moves, which is probably what makes it so hard. And then like that. This one. Can I just do it? No, whatever. I'm not gonna try commutator because, I mean, I could maybe skip OLL doing that, but it would just, I think it would just make things a little harder than they need to be. Yep, yes sir. Algorithms, this is the worst part. Let's see if I can do this, without, like, feeling like I'm cheating. I am not doing the RUU perm. That is gonna kill me. How do you do M2? Well, that of course would be LY2, RY2. Yep, that's M2. So that's gonna be a DY prime. And then this. And then this. And then wide U2. Wait, no, wide R2. I don't know. This, and then this, and then this, and then this, and then this. That was so stupid. You see why I made this video now and just stuffed a bunch of challenges together? Because I do not want to make a whole video just on this challenge. It gets suggested so much, and I'm just here to say, yes, I did it, guys. Stop asking me to do this one. It is not fun. My favorite challenge after all that was definitely solving regripless. I'm gonna do a few solves here and see how fast I can get with this. This looks great, but how do I do this without a regrip? Oh no. Okay, I can start in this stupid grip. If I start in this grip, I think I can actually do it. There we go. Okay. This is good. This is really good. Yes, 16 seconds. Okay, let's give this one more shot. This is so annoying when I don't get the good cases. Oh, I messed up. Yes, sub 15. I guess that's a good lesson. You should always try to optimize, but never over-optimize in any one aspect. In trying not to regrip, I added in so many extra moves and M moves, and that just made my turning look even worse despite the fact that I never regripped the entire solve. So that's it for today's challenges. I hope you had fun because I definitely had some fun and some torturous moments. Let me know in the comments if you have any challenges you want me to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.